Shandong Magic Intelligent Technology Company Limited is located in Tai'an City, Shandong Province, China. We are a professional manufacturer of laser cutting machines, laser marking machines, laser cleaning machines, laser welding machines. Our machines are widely used in metal processing industry. All of our products have passed ISO, CE, RoHS agency testing, and machines will go through several hours of quality testing before leaving the factory to ensure quality. We are a reliable supplier of laser equipment, providing 2 to 3 years of complete quality assurance services to ensure customer experience. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to more than 80 countries, such as South Korea, Russia, the United States, Mexico, Brazil, etc. The main markets are America, Southeast Asia, and Europe. We provide excellent quality machine with strict quality control. After several years of development, we have made great progress and have had very far-reaching cooperation and technical support with well-known laser and spare parts companies at home and abroad. Our R&D department provides strong technical support, enabling us to accept some OEM, ODM items. General orders can be shipped within 7 days. In addition, most customers are very satisfied with our service because of 7/24 service. Magic products always give wonderful experience to the customers, and we hope to cooperate with the customers from all over the world. Welcome to visit us.